Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nasima, your architect and interior designer. And today I have something really exciting for you all. Floor plan ideas for plot size of approximately 25 feet by 45 feet. We are having a road in the front and also one service lane at the back. So if you are planning to build your dream home on a compact plot like this, you are going to love this video. So let's start. Let's start with option 1. Now this is my option 1. Let's see what are we having here. This is my parking area. Now the dimension is slightly smaller. This should be 12 if you want to give a wonderful parking, make it 12 feet. But here we are having space shortage, so we made it 11 feet. And this is 17 feet 5 inches. If you have a space, make it 20 feet. Because the client were already having parking outside and here was the parking for a hatchback car, it was sufficient. I always give a feeling of space once you enter inside. So this is my drawing dining area. See, if you can give foyer, wonderful. But for the space like this, if I'm going to give a foyer, my space is going to get wasted. So this is my entry. Here is going to be my sofa. This is my TV unit. Here I can have my dining table. This is my kitchen. See, kitchen is the heart of the house. So it should have enough space. So this is my kitchen and you can see this is my utility. Utility is must for a kitchen because all the dirty thing is going to happen here. So your kitchen is going to be clean most of the time. Now this is my bedroom. This is the dressing area and this is the toilet attached with the bedroom. And this is my staircase. I can create a beautiful staircase here. So this is the ground floor for the option 1. And the upper level, what are we having? This is my staircase. This is my another bedroom. This is my second bedroom on the above level. This is the common toilet. This is my lounge area. This is the balcony or terrace, you can say, connected with the lounge area. So you can create a big window here and your inside outside can be connected if you're using sliding folding. And now for this space, because I was not having a space to place TV, I created a storeroom here. This is my storeroom. Now my TV can easily mount it on this wall. Also, I created one study room here because this space was dedicated for kids and if I'm giving them one study, it's wonderful. So this is the option 1 that we created. Now let's discuss the option 2. This is my parking area. Now this is my entry for the drawing area. I'm having my staircase over here for the above level. This is my bedroom. This is the attached toilet for it. And this is the dressing area. And my kitchen plus utility is over here. Now this is my dining area. I can place my dining table here and this is secluded from the drawing area. This is the formal sitting area. So the dining area is secluded and which is very near with the kitchen. Now let's discuss the upper floor level. See, this is my staircase coming from the ground floor level. Now this is my lounge area. This is my terrace. This is one bedroom and this is another bedroom. It's one huge bedroom with attached wardrobe. This is one cabinet. You can create one wardrobe which is common and this is the common toilet. So this is the above level for option 2. Now this is the third option that we created. It was from client's requirement. The sketch was shared by the client. Now let's see what are we having here. This is my parking area. The entrance is here. Now this is my kitchen. This is my dining area and this is my drawing area. The staircase is here. This is the bedroom. It's dress and this is the attached toilet. We are having one storeroom which is connected with the kitchen. Now this is the lower floor level. What are we having at the above level? Let's see that. Now here is the staircase. This is the lobby area. This is one bedroom with attached wardrobe. This is another bedroom. We are having a common dressing area and this is the common toilet. Here we are having a lounge and this is the terrace area. Whenever I design, I try to give them a good kitchen. Here my kitchen is not working. Although it is having one storeroom over here, but it is not having a utility. Yes, I can create a utility over here, but still I can see accommodating my refrigerator, pantry unit, everything is going to be a task. So this kitchen is not working. Always try to give parallel kitchen and if it is possible, give them U kitchen. So this kitchen is not working for me. This is the only drawback I can see in this layout. See, if you'll ask me, I like the option first the most. Because I'm having a good drawing dining area. I love the feeling of space once you enter the house. so here I can achieve it. And my kitchen is also visible from here, and the utility, the dirty part, is hidden. So this is a wonderful layout for me. Although the bedroom sizes are slightly smaller than other options, but I can see I can accommodate one study area here, so which is a plus point. Although these corridors are not good. See, whenever you design, avoid these corridors, but in this case it was needed because I had to create a common toilet for this bedroom, so I cannot create a door here, or I had to create one study here, so this corridor was also needed. Secondly, I could create a room like this, but my TV wall would have been very smaller, and because the client wanted a storeroom, I accommodated a storeroom like this in this option. So I'm having my study, and this is the TV wall for the lounge area. So I like this option the most. See, this is the initial sketch. It is going to be refined with time. Let me know in the comment section which option you like the most. I keep sharing these kind of practical, informative videos on my channel, so consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. And also thank you so much for watching. You'll see my next video soon. Bye.